What broke me through was making videos every single day for like months and months and months. I think I posted like 100 or 200 videos in a row. Some days I was even doing 2 a day.
That's insane. That's
And
awesome.
there's just like a certain level of momentum that you need and certain level of like skill. It's like basketball, as you just said, like, you know, if you want to get better at a free throw, like you're not going to get better by like shooting a free throw like a couple times, like every weekend, like leverage, like, you know, different platforms. Like nowadays there's TikTok that wasn't around, and sometimes there's different opportunities floating around, but you're not going to figure out what's going to work by posting like a couple videos a month. And then if you think about that, like let's say you posted 2 videos this month and then times that by a whole year, that's like, you know, maybe you posted 10, 20 videos the whole year. It's just not enough to create that momentum. And all of a sudden like 5 years could pass by and it really is all about the content and the catalog, I think. You know, like I used to have this guy that would DM me every couple months and say like, I'm gonna start my channel back up. I just got to write the script, or I just didn't write the script because I got busy with this thing. But I think, what do you think about this idea? And just years and years, and they just never posted the video. So what I found on the internet is like, it's always going, it's always changing. When you think it's too late, it's probably still early. And then like, you know, I could stop now and be forgotten about, and then like 100 million more people want to learn Adobe, and then it just like goes on to some other thing. There's always like more coming that you don't realize, especially with like the newer generation growing up. Like, and if you look at the numbers of Adobe users and just in general, like you could see around 2017 and 2018, I don't know how much had to do with all the lockdowns and everything, but like there was a dramatic spike of people wanting to learn this stuff. And
totally, yeah.
I think just in general, as far as content and opportunity like this is involved, like we're on the cusp of like some sort of exponential curve. And so not to like, yeah, it's been like a decade I've been doing this stuff, so I might feel like ready to retire.
Sure.
I mean,
do something
like
else,
retire from the, like, what else is there? But in reality, we might still just be on the beginning slope of this exponential, like.
Of course.
DM me for private coaching.